In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a candle close timer on TradingView for the year 2025. If you're someone who engages in active trading or simply likes to keep a close watch on market trends, the candle close timer is an invaluable tool that lets you know exactly when a candle will close. So, let's jump in and get started. First, let's head over to the TradingView website. TradingView is your go-to platform for tracking various markets, offering an extensive range of features for both new and experienced traders. Open your web browser and navigate to tradingview.com. If you've been using TradingView for a while, you're probably familiar with its interface, clean, intuitive, and packed with information. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. The search functionality allows you to quickly find the market you're interested in. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, as it's one of the most actively traded assets. Go ahead and click on the search bar and type Bitcoin or BTC/USD, which stands for Bitcoin against the US dollar. You should see it pop up in the search results. Click on it to access the Bitcoin trading chart. This chart is the heartbeat of the cryptocurrency world, packed with data, analytics, and so much more. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll need to perform a right click on this area to proceed. When you right click, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various options related to chart settings and customizations. Next, from the drop-down menu, look for the option that says More Settings and click on it. This will take you to a range of settings where you can modify the appearance and functionality of your chart to best suit your needs. TradingView is highly customizable, so don't hesitate to explore widely. In the settings menu, you will find an option labeled Countdown to Bar Close or similar wording. This is the feature we're interested in. When you enable this option, it activates the countdown timer, letting you know how much time is left before the current candle closes and a new one opens. This helps you precisely time your entries and exits. Once you've enabled the countdown timer, you don't want to forget to save your settings. To do this, simply click the OK button. This ensures that the next time you log in or navigate away from the page,